Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Knowledge Hub in Analytics. Today I have come with another LeetCode SQL problem in questions. Today we are going to solve another questions, easy level of difficulties problems in this video. So from problem number 619, biggest single number, 620, not boring movies, and swap salary 627. These three problems we are going to solve in this video. So before we move ahead, I request you all to please subscribe to my channel to get such more feature kind of videos, and I'll be posting on SQL. I will also be posting SQL problems from data demo, data scratch, and interview questions, SQL problems asked in different companies interviews. So let us just start with biggest single number. So here we have a table called my numbers and column name is number, only one column number. A single number is a number that appeared only once in the my numbers table. Find the largest single number. You have to find the largest single number. So single numbers should appear only once. So here we can see we can use a count star having should be equals to 1. And find the largest single number, we can write max of that number will be in the output. As you can see, input we have 88331456. So output should be 6. Since single numbers are 1, 4, 5, 6, so 6 is the largest single number, so we need 6 in the output. Let us solve this problem. Select number count star from my numbers group by number having count star equals to 1. Now I need the max of the single number, that is largest single number, max of number as number from this table as A. Let us see what is the output we get. Accepted. We can see in the output we have 6 in the output. Now I will submit it. So we have solved this problem. Now moving to the next problem, that is not boring movies. Here we have a cinema table with columns ID, movie description, rating. ID is the primary key. Each row contains information about the name of a movie, its genre, and its rating. Let us listen to report the movies with an odd numbered ID. Odd numbered ID means ID modulo 2 equals to 1. We have learned what is odd, how to find the odd number ID in our basic SQL basic videos. And a description that is not boring. You can use where clause here. Return the result table order by rating in descending order. So let us just see what should we need in our ID, movie description, and rating. So we will select ID, movie, description, rating from cinema, where ID modulo 2 equals to 1 and description not like boring. Something is wrong. In the output we want 5 house card. Okay, order by rating in descending order. Okay, order by id, sorry, rating descending order. Now it should return, it should be output should be true, accepted. Now we are going to submit it. We have solved this problem. Now the last one that we are going to solve is swap salary. Exchange sheets we will see in the another video when we will solve medium level of SQL problems. Here we have a table called salary with ID, name, sex, salary as a column. Let us question to swap all female and male values, that is change all female values to male and vice versa with a single update statement and no intermediate temporary tables. Note that you must write a single update statement, do not write any single select statement for this problem. We have salary, output we have, in the input we have A, sex is male, B, sex is female. So A, sex is female, B, sex is male. That is what we need on the output. So we will write update table name salary set sex equals to case 1 sex equals to male, then female, else male, and I think it should be accepted. Yes, now we'll submit this. Accepted. So we have successfully solved this problem as well. That's all for today's video. In the next video we're going to solve exchange sheets, customers who bought all products, and product sales analysis 3. These 3 problems we are going to solve in the next video. And also in the next video we're going to solve swap salary, actors and director who cooperated at least 3 times, and product sales analysis 1. Sorry, swap salary is done. So actors and director cooperated at least 3 times, product sales analysis 1, and product employees 1. These 3 problems we are going to solve. Till date, happy learning, enjoy, all the best, and please subscribe to my channel. If you have not subscribed, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए जल्दी से जल्दी, ताकि आप इन फ्यूचर और भी ऐसे SQL प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व कर पाएँ. थैंक यू.